Good afternoon, Rich Nass with Open Systems Media, and we are back on the road with the IoT Roadshow. This week's tour takes us to San Jose, and we are at the facility of ADLINK, and I'm here with Matthias Huber, and he runs the marketing group here at ADLINK. Good afternoon, Matthias.
Good afternoon.
So we were talking about how IoT is sort of everything in the cloud, and you came up with a pretty interesting concept about not everybody wants to be in the cloud. And you're doing things to support that there are, what is M2M, which is really M2M, without M to up to the cloud to M. Would you describe that a little bit, what ADLINK is doing in that space?
Sure. So I'll use an example in the smart factory environment where you have your assets and you use gateways to ingest very sensitive data, and some of the data should not travel to the cloud, or the customer is not comfortable having the data to live in the cloud for IP protection, privacy. And sometimes it's just the raw amount of data can be a problem. So we've created solutions that addresses that in two different ways. One of them is that we deploy software on the gateway to do edge computing. So we can pre-analyze the data, use a live scoring model that's been trained using historic data, and then create the results. Also, we have a server class product that you can deploy even on the factory floor because it's IP65 protected. And that device has up to dual Xeons, so it can do a lot of number crunching, you can do data aggregation, visualization, and connect to all the backend service in the IT space. So we have that package with a software solution that also makes it much easier to cross those hard boundaries from SCADA to the enterprise IT or even into the cloud.
So in reality, you're creating your own local cloud, for lack of a better term.
It's not exactly cloud services with these like the automatic scaling and all the features you get in a proper cloud service. But as far as, say, in a smart factory, in a predictive maintenance environment, there's a solution that works autonomously within this IP network and doesn't need any other services.
And your data is never leaving the building.
Data stays in the building unless you want it to leave.
Sounds like a good solution. That was ADLINK, and this is the IoT Roadshow for Open Systems Media.